International students in America are about to lose one of the biggest flexibilities of the F-1 visa system. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security has finalized a major rule, ending the decades-old duration of status system for F-1 students from September 15, 2026. Instead of staying as long as they maintain student status, students will receive a specific admit until date on Form 194 based on their I-20 program end date, generally capped at 4 years. Students needing extra time to finish a degree, start another program, or complete OPT or STEM OPT must apply to USCIS for an extension of stay using Form I-539, pay the required fee, and complete biometrics. Eligible students may alternatively leave the U.S. and seek readmission. The post-study grace period also drops from 60 days to 30 days. Academic flexibility gets tighter, too. Undergraduates generally cannot transfer schools, change majors, or educational levels during their first year without an approved exception. Graduate students face even stricter limits on transfers and program changes. English language students face a 24-month maximum admission period, while public high school students are limited to 12 months. The rule also includes transition provisions for students already in the United States.